When you want to learn more about the animal cell or eukaryotic cell, we are presented always with two-dimensional images like this, which doesn't give a complete idea about the structure of the cell. But wait, the amazing new technology called augmented reality will help us to visualize the structure in 3D, and that too on the smartphone that you're holding right in your hand with the help of Google app. So let's see how we can do it. So here I am in the Google app. If you have not installed this app, then I would recommend you to install it from the Play Store or the App Store. So let's see the next step. In the Google app, search animal cell and scroll and look for this one, where it will be showing you the 3D model. Then click the button to view in 3D. You will be presented with two options: view the model in AR and in 3D. You can see I can interact with this model of animal cell very easily. 3D models are available for nearly all smartphones. But let me tell you first, to view the given model in AR, your smartphone must be AR core compatible in the case of Android. I will give a link in the description containing the list of Android devices having AR enabled in them. You can check yourself to see if your Android phone is AR core enabled or not. In the case of iPhone, you can experience AR on iPhone 6s and higher models. Let us see now how we can study animal cell in AR itself. You can see now we can see the animal cell 3D model in augmented reality. You can see the cell. I can interact the cell over here. I can rotate the cell. I can increase the size of the cell. You can see the individual organelles that we will see in a moment in much detail. You can see I am rotating the cell and we can get the overall idea about the cellular structure, about the entire organization of this animal cell. So we will go with the first, you can see, we will focus on the plasma membrane. You can see the lipid bilayer, the entire lipid bilayer. You can see I'm showing you over here. So with this particular model in augmented reality, we can get the entire plasma membrane. You can visualize this. You can see the nucleus. So let us get into the nucleus a little bit closer, and you can see over there the chromosomes. See, the chromosomes are visible over here. The next you can see the nucleolus. You can see the nucleolus and you can see the nuclear pores which are visible over here, the tiny pores. Then very close to the nucleus we know the next organelle which is present called as endoplasmic reticulum. You can see the rough endoplasmic reticulum over here. Then you can see the tiny ribosomes. We will get to see the rough endoplasmic reticulum. You can see it is all around the nucleus. And these tube-like structures which are extending out of rough endoplasmic reticulum, these are nothing but the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So let me just minimize the cell a little and we will rotate it and you can see the next Golgi. You can see how beautiful it looks, and with its vesicles, with its sacs and all that coming out of the Golgi. And then we will get into the centrioles. You can see the centrioles and the cytoskeleton that is coming out of it with the orange thread, which actually help the other different types of organelles to assemble. Next, the very famous mitochondria you can see over here. And then let me rotate the cell a little and we will get into the lysosomes. You can see the lysosome over here. Yes, the pink color region over here. Obviously in cells we don't find them in colors, but you can see now we will get into the cell. This is an interesting part. So you can see now we can enter into the cell. From cell within we can see the overall organization of the cell. So this is the beautiful way that we can see the animal cell in augmented reality, which will help us to teach this particular topic and it will help the student to understand it much better way. I have made many videos on eukaryotic cell structure. Link for the entire playlist I am giving in the card above and also in the description below. You can also check my other videos on powerful use of augmented reality in education, link for which I am giving in the description below. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and hit the bell icon to get new upcoming videos on the use of augmented reality in education. Bye bye.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bio Way on YouTube, and press the bell icon so that you will never miss another update from my channel. Thank you.